Our next topic is browser. Web browser. Web browser contains many number of web pages, websites. Websites contains many number of web pages. So web browsers are used to view websites and web pages which was designed by using HTML. What are the different types of web browsers we are having, children? Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Safari, Mozilla Firefox and Opera. These are the popular web browsers all are used to do. Our next topic is creating a HTML document. How to create a HTML document, children? So, once you all go through this page number 14, I'll say afterwards once you all go through the topics what I have said now. So first what you will do, open Notepad. How to open Notepad, children? Click on Start, All Programs, Accessories. In the accessories you will be having the Notepad. Open the Notepad. After opening the Notepad, type the program. So what is the HTML program? Basic program is there. That program we have to type. So which are tags? The tags should be denoted in angular brackets. And these are all things we have to type. And next you have to save. What you have to save? Click on File, click on Save button. So while saving a Notepad application of HTML, you have to be cautious. How like you have to save? First you have to give the file name. Next, you should not save like that. So afterwards you have to give the extension. So extension as I have said for you extensions in the last lesson. So HTML contains an extension. What is that extension? .html. For example, I have did a program. So how like I have to save? I have to go to file, click on save or press the shortcut key Ctrl plus S. How like I have to say first program .html. So .html is an extension. First program is my file name. So you should not give any spaces between the file name and extension. Then your file will be saved. So this is how saving a program. Next, how to view a program. The next topic is viewing an HTML. How to view, open any one of these web browsers as I said before. Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla and all. So click on the web browser. In some web browsers it might not contain some menu bar. At that time what you have to use? Ctrl plus O. If you are having menu bar, press the option File Open. In the Open, click on Browse and choose the option Location where you have saved. So if you click on, if I saved it on a desktop, I will click the location on desktop and I will choose my file name. What is my file name? First program. So then what you have done program in the HTML that it will be displayed in your web browser, in our web browser. This is about creating an HTML document and viewing an HTML document. Next come to the important topic tags and elements and attributes. As I said, in the body part, in the header part is optional and body part is main. HTML, it contains tags. What is the tags? Tags are some special symbols. How like if you are writing maxims in between, you have to use some formulas. So formulas are very important. Like that in the HTML program, tags are very important. Tags are some special symbols. So it must not you no need to write in a case sensitive language. So it is denoted by using angular braces. If you want to denote a tag, so you must write it in a angular brackets. And you can also include non-text items such as images, audio, video, links and so on. So links also can be applied by using these tags. For example, if you want to describe a tag, so what you have to give? Tag name. So if you write tag name in small letters or in uppercase letters, both will have the same effect. It does not change anything. Next, all tags should be inserted before and after. So if you are starting a paragraph, if you want to insert a paragraph tag, so angular brackets open P. So you should write a P in between of angular brackets and you have to start a paragraph. At the end of the paragraph, you should close the tag. How like to close? Angular brackets and then you have to stop that paragraph. How like you have to stop that? So angular brackets backslash and P, which means these two describes that you are closing and opening the paragraph tag. So tag, when you are using a tag, so you must compulsory denote on tag and off tag. Off tag contains backslash. On tag does not contains any symbols or tags. So you must denote these two tags especially. So on tag it must require on tag, and off tag also you have to give. These are the about tags. Next, elements. Elements also gives an individual complete information about it consists of on tag and off tag. So we are having two different types of elements. One is container elements and another one is empty elements. Container elements means that these elements contains on tag and off tag. So if we use container elements, these type of elements contains both on tag and off tag. Example of these elements is paragraph tag, bold, italic and so on. And the next thing is empty elements. In these empty elements, so only one tag is there, that too on tag. So these tags does not require any off tag, which means no off tag. So these tags especially contains on tag. So no, does not give any off tag. It gives complete information about the tag. Example of these empty elements is break tag. BR tag is an example for